print a PDF using Adobe Acrobat Reader. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to print your PDF documents, adjust the most important print settings, preview the results, and troubleshoot common printing problems. Let's get started. First, launch Adobe Acrobat Reader and open the PDF you want to print. You can click Open File from the home screen or simply double-click your PDF if Adobe Acrobat Reader is your default PDF viewer. Next, click the printer icon in the toolbar or open the File menu and choose Print. You can also press Ctrl-P on your keyboard to open the print window instantly. In the print window, select the printer you want to use. If you're creating a digital copy instead of a paper one, you can also choose a virtual printer such as Microsoft Print to PDF if it's available on your computer. Now review your print settings. Choose whether to print all pages or only a specific page range. You can also change the paper size, orientation, number of copies, and page scaling to match your document. Before printing, check the preview panel to make sure everything looks correct. So if you're happy with the layout, click the print button and wait for your document to finish printing. If your PDF doesn't print correctly, make sure your printer is connected and turned on. You can also try reopening the PDF, updating your printer driver, or restarting Adobe Acrobat Reader before printing again. And that's how you print PDF files with Adobe Acrobat Reader. Once you know where the print settings are, the process only takes a few clicks. If this guide helped you out, leave a like, subscribe for more software tutorials, and thanks for watching.